Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sharia. Today I am going to show you how you can create this AQUA Brown color grading effect in Premiere Pro. So let's check out example. So everyone, let's start. Make a duplicate layer, press Ctrl J and then go to camera raw filter, press Ctrl Shift A. And then let's select calibration, select the red, saturation -100, and then next green hue -100, and then next blue hue -100, and then saturation +21, and then close panel and then select, and then next select color mixer panel, select hue red, and then select aqua -21, and then select saturation, select the red +26, select the orange 27, and then select aqua, and then select aqua +55, and then close panel, and then select the curve and follow this step, and then select input value 67 and output value 67, and then select input value 244 and then select output value 255, and then close the panel and hit OK. So everyone, before and after, before and after. So everyone, note a color grading. Create a new adjustment layer, then right click adjustment layer and then hit OK. Adjustment layer, drag and drop timeline, and then select adjustment layer, go to window, select the lumetri color, and then click creative, none, open the browser, and then select AQUA Brown and then open, and boom. So everyone, I hope enjoyed this video. So like my video, subscribe to my channel, and we will meet again next video. Thank you.